Sound is something that most hardly think about. For those with hearing loss, it's everything. Their lifeline or their world can evolve around it.
Today is the day we can finally come together and share the same experience through sound. My name is Chahee Park, and my job is to make our most personal device, the smartphone, accessible to everyone in every way. Growing up, I was always sensitive to sound because my dad suffered from hearing loss, so I was always worried that he might miss conversations or auditory alarms. Naturally, I spent a lot of time thinking about what I could do to resolve the inconveniences people like my dad face in the streets and public spaces.
My name is Yoonbee, and I'm a UX researcher working at Samsung. I studied psychology at university. I would like to learn about how people perceive the world differently. I believe that everyone should be able to experience the same thing equally. Everyone should be able to experience a device. So that's when I decided I would like to work in accessibility. When I first heard of Auracast and started researching it, I realized it was an opportunity to bridge a gap between people with accessibility needs, and I pursued my dream to work alongside accessibility.
The first on the list for pilot locations was the UK. So, we wandered around looking for places where people experience sound together. We visited museums as well as more everyday places. Then we came across the cathedral. Cathedrals are generally large and imposing, so there are a lot of echoes and sound can get mixed up inside, which can make communicating very difficult, even with hearing aids.
I thought it would be a great location to hold a trial for Auracast. We first spoke to St. Paul's about our proposal on Auracast. They were on the exact same page as us.
On behalf of the Dean and Chapter of St. Paul's, I'd like to welcome all of you. And I'll be showing you some of the highlights of...
We realized that St. Paul's has an amazing tool. It offers tour guides taking you around the cathedral.
For the Galaxy Hearing Accessibility Pilot event in St. Paul's Cathedral, we designed the experience so that everyone here with different levels of hearing, using different devices, be it hearing aids or Galaxy Buds, can hear better and truly share the moment. This is all made possible through the Auracast feature on Galaxy.
Auracast would offer anyone with any type of hearing loss, anyone with any type of hearing aid, and even people like myself, to be able to listen to the tour guide, regardless of how far away I am from them.
I think this was a very good test, actually.
Yeah, this has been seamless.
Yeah.
It's worked.
Yeah, for me, I think Auracast is giving you direct sound into your ears.
Our plan is to take all the feedback that we got through this pilot project and use it to improve the Auracast feature on Samsung phone.
By implementing Auracast technology to Galaxy smartphones and Galaxy Buds, we open new possibilities in hearing and provide personalized experiences that break boundaries for everyone.
Accessibility is creating a world where everyone feels no barriers. It means everyone gets to experience the same thing equally, and being able to open a new world for them.